Share valuable tips and techniques to help you become a confident English speaker. Tip 1. Practice, practice, practice. The more you speak English, the more confident you'll become. Engage in conversations, join language exchange groups, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Tip 2. Embrace your mistakes. Don't be afraid to make errors, they're stepping stones towards fluency. Learn from your mistakes and use them as valuable learning opportunities to improve. Tip 3. Expand your vocabulary. Enhance your word bank by reading English books, watching movies, or listening to podcasts. The more words you know, the more confident you'll be in expressing yourself. Tip 4. Focus on fluency, not perfection. It's more important to communicate effectively than to speak flawlessly. Don't hesitate to use simple language if it helps you convey your ideas clearly. Tip 5. Surround yourself with English. Use English in your daily life by labeling objects, thinking in English, or immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. The more you're exposed to the language, the more confident you'll feel when using it. Remember, confidence comes with practice and perseverance. So, don't be discouraged if it takes time. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll soon become a fluent English speaker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Happy speaking!